Hello programmers, welcome to Skill Trends. Today we are going to start with the Wipro Nlth 2020 program questions, that is coding questions. Here you can see one of the question that is based on one-time password generation program. That is, you can see in the placement examination, that is Wipro National Hiring, we can see this question has been given in the last year, that is 2020. We can see they have given one of the problem statement and just input and output and one example for that program, that is how they want us to write a program based upon their input and output. First of all, we need to think what they have given the problem statement. We need to understand that, and after that we need to go for the coding problem. Before that, directly we should not go to the program. First we shall understand what they have given the code. Here they have given one of the company which advises to an order confirmation procedure. They are making some order confirmation like that is like Flipkart, Amazon, where we are going to order some product or something. What they are doing, they are asking that if they place the order, they will this company will generate one OTP for them, that is one time password to the customer. They should re-enter their OTP into that product where you are going to order, place where you are going to order, so that they'll get a confirmation that you want to order that. What they have given, the one-time password generated for the requested order ID as a product of digits in the order ID. Write an algorithm to find the one-time password for the order ID. What they are doing, if they are giving the order ID for you, that is if you are ordering some product, for that for each and every product ordering in online, there will be some order ID, right? For using that order ID, you will be getting we should generate one-time password, that is which will come to your mobile or some other platform, so that you can enter into that and they'll get verification. Here they have given the input as, the input consists of an integer order ID. It will be some integer, means that is order ID representing the order ID of the inquired order. Okay. Output should be that print an integer representing the one-time password generated for the order ID. Means using that order ID, we need to generate a one-time password for that order, that is order placed, for the confirmation. So they have given one example also, that they are giving the input as 2342 and output should be 48. In this they have mainly they will give some logic at least, but in this program, that is in this problem statement, they have not given the logic also, what to do and what are the procedures, at least they did not give at all. So we need to do for this type of problem, that is specially for this one-time password and all, there will be some possibilities, right? We can see that they have given that 2342 as a input. Let me go to the let me explain you people detailedly. Yeah, they have given the input as 2342 and the output is 48. Here we can see, first of all, by looking at this number, we should think that to get 48, what and all the operations we can do. First of all, if we do addition, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 equals to 5, 9, 11. We are getting 11. So what we should get the output, that is 48. So we are not getting the 48 as the output. So we can't do addition. Okay. Then if you do subtraction also, we will not get, because addition only we are getting 11 and subtraction we can't get, and by using division operations we can't do that one. So we need to think of multiplication here. See here, if you multiply each digit by other digit, that is 2 times, that is 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 6 into 4 24 into 2 equals to 48. We are getting the required output here. So we need to think in this way for these one-time password programs. That is, if they are given in any competitive exam, not in Wipro, not in some other companies also, we need to think in this method. let me write a program for this one time password using Java. Here already I have created a class for this, and let me take ask the user. We need to start with the user input. We should not directly use this example as the input, because there will be many test cases for that program in the examination. So we need to write in general method. So we need to ask the user to enter the values. So we shall take the input from the console. Okay, here we shall import the scanner library. Okay, fine. Now here, rather than giving sc, let me take it as a number, as a variable. Okay, now let me write a while condition. First of all, let me take, that is, number is greater than 0, until the number is greater than 0. Let me go inside. One second. Okay, fine. One second. Here let me take as sc itself, and let me copy this to sc dot extent of. Okay, now I'll go inside. Let me take let me do a division operator or modulus operator, so that by taking the individual number and copying into the n variable, that is number modulus 10, I am taking the individual operator. Here I have not declared the integer variable, so let me declare that int n. Okay, let me multiply. We need to use a multiplication operation, right? Because here we are doing the multiplication of each digit. So I am getting from this operation, that is n is equal to number modo 10. I am getting the each individual digit here. Now I need to multiply each digit. Let me take a mul as a multiply variable. Multiply into what, by which number I need to multiply? By n. Okay, let me take this multiply value as 1, because if I take multiply value, let me initialize. If I initialize this mul value to 0, every time if I multiply with mul, I'll be getting the output as 0 itself. So if I give 1 into, if they have taken as 2 3 4 2 as an input. First time I'll get 2 as n value, so 2. Next time I'll get 4. Next time I'll get 3. Next time I'll get 2. Like that it will be going on multiplying with that. Now let me take a number equals to number by 10. Okay, we are done with the code. Now let me print it. System dot out dot print ln of what will they one time password, one time password generated is multiply value. We need to print it here. Okay, here at the beginning let me ask the user, that is let the user know that he need to print the he need to enter the value, some integer value. Okay, enter the order ID. In the platform which you are writing the exam, there will be you don't need to write this system.out.println and that is input you don't want to ask the user to enter, automatically it will take that. If you take this scanner, just that's it. And if you write, you don't need to write this one, you need to just return this output, that is return of multiply value. That much you should do. And now let me go and check the output of this program. What they have given the input, they have given 2342. okay, let me run this program and check it. Okay, enter the order ID. I am entering the order ID as 2342. okay, let me check. The one time password generated is 48. okay, we are getting the correct output. Let me check with other test case. If I will order, my order ID will be like 1234, and you can see that is 24. We can verify that 1 into 2 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So we are getting the output as 24. So it is correct. So this is how you people need to see, that is understand the program. And mainly for this one time password, you need to think of this logic, because they will not give the full logic here. So we need to think like this, and you need to answer the program. So please, this is in Java, right? If you people want this program in other language, you can see the link in the descriptions. So please share to your friends. Don't miss this programs. We will be continually updating the programs. So please like, share and subscribe to your friends. Thank you guys.